Welcome to our channel. Improving your credit score quickly requires strategic actions targeting the key factors that influence your credit rating. Step 1. Obtain free copies of your credit reports from all three bureaus at annualcreditreport.com to identify issues. Step 2. Review your reports carefully and dispute any errors or inaccuracies you find through each bureau's dispute process. Step 3. Pay down credit card balances to reduce your credit utilization ratio below 30%, ideally below 10%. Step 4. Make all minimum payments on time moving forward, as payment history is the most important credit factor. Step 5. Consider making multiple payments throughout the month to keep your reported balance low. Step 6. Become an authorized user on someone else's credit card with good payment history and low utilization. Step 7. Request credit limit increases on existing cards to instantly improve your utilization ratio without changing your balance. Step 8. Don't close old credit cards, as length of credit history affects your score. Step 9. Limit new credit applications to avoid hard inquiries that temporarily lower your score. Step 10. Consider a credit builder loan or secured credit card to add positive payment history. Step 11. Set up automatic payments for all bills to ensure you never miss a due date. Step 12. Be patient, as some improvements take time, but payment history and utilization changes can impact your score within 30-60 days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.